Giorgio, what are you doing in my kitchen? Aha! 3 different cures for one little monkey. Fantastico. I wonder which one's gonna work. Let's find out. First up, lemon. Next up, drink a glass of water through a paper towel. Oh, if you say so. Oh, don't worry. I got a lot of water.
There was a pause between each hiccup. George could take a sip during that pause.
Congratulations, Giorgio! No spills. No. Okay, Giorgio. A spoonful of sugar is the last idea on your list. Oh, Giorgio, I think the sugar is the solution, huh? You gotten rid of all of your...
Shh! You're disturbing the singer!
We were trying to cure Giorgio's...
Hiccups are easy to get rid of. Just squeeze some lemon juice into a glass of water and sip it. The hiccups go away.
No. Giorgio already tried the lemon trick.
But did he try mixing lemon juice into water?
Well, if you're going to do that, then you should mix in some sugar too. Make it nice and sweet, eh, Giorgio?
By mixing the lemon, the water, and the sugar, George managed to make lemonade.
Thanks, I'll try it. That is the most fantastical lemonade I've ever tasted.
Hold it! Do you hear what I don't hear?
Giorgio's hiccups are gone!
You made up your own cure, Giorgio, by mixing all the different ideas. Okay, Giorgio, are you ready to sing some karaoke?
Whenever we have a problem, we find a way to fix it. And whenever we have a challenge, we find a way to... Hiccup! 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 Oh no, George. Now I have the... Even if we mess things up, we never ever